In this video, let me show you how to connect a wired mouse with your MacBook Neo. So the Neo has two USB Type-C ports on the left side. These are the only USB ports. If your wired mouse, like this one, has a USB Type-A connector, and there's a good chance that it has one of these, well, you'll need an adapter. I'll put links in the description down below, but basically you need a USB Type-A to USB Type-C adapter that also supports OTG. OTG simply means that it's able to transfer data. Some basic adapters, and this you need to keep an eye for this, are only able to provide the transfer from A to C for charging. And this is not what we want, since the mouse will send data to the USB port of the Mac. So I simply connect this, go on the side of the Mac, and it doesn't matter if you connect it on the first USB port or the second one. I'll connect it here. And right away, I can see that it tells me to allow this mouse. Right now it doesn't work, so you need to click allow. And now it's working properly. Now your Mac may be confused, as you say here, keyboard setup assistant. This is not a keyboard, but it thinks that it may be a keyboard, so I simply have to quit this. To get into the menu settings for the mouse, so you can change a few different things, go on the Apple logo, select System Settings, then go into the search bar over here and type mouse. Go into mouse and trackpad. And once you're over here, you're going to have a few different options you can change, so you can customize your mouse. Don't forget to click on mouse option if you want to change the scroll speed. So this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.